Imagine sitting across from a billionaire business mogul, sipping tea, and gleaning their golden nuggets of wisdom. What if they whispered the exact strategies they use to build empires? Well, fret no more. This guide channels the insights of wealthy business owners, distilling their proven sales tactics into 10 actionable steps. Ready to transform your business into a profit powerhouse? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the playbook of success.
Welcome to Business Alchemy.
Know your ideal customer. Deeply understanding your target audience's needs, wants, and pain points is crucial for effective marketing and sales efforts. Don't just rely on assumptions. Conduct market research and gather customer feedback. Imagine you're throwing a party. You wouldn't just bake a generic cake and hope someone likes it, right? You'd find out who's coming, what their favorite flavors are, and maybe even ask for any allergies. That way, you can create a cake everyone will love. It's the same with your business. Your cake is your product or service, and your guests are your customers. By knowing your ideal customer inside and out, you can create something that perfectly fits their needs and desires. Instead of throwing a generic cake party, bake a delicious, personalized one that everyone will rave about. Remember, knowing your ideal customer is the secret ingredient to success. Offer a unique value proposition. What makes your business stand out from the competition? Clearly communicate your unique selling points and how they benefit your target audience. Imagine you're at a bustling farmer's market, each stall overflowing with fresh produce. How do you grab attention and convince shoppers to choose your apples over the others? That's the power of a unique value proposition. Your UEP is the secret sauce that sets your business apart from the competition. It's the clear, concise message that tells your target audience: 1. Why they should care. What problem do you solve? What need do you fulfill? 2. Why you're the best. What makes you unique? What sets you apart from the crowd? 3. Why it matters to them. How does your uniqueness benefit them directly? Crafting a compelling UVP isn't just about bragging. It's about understanding your audience. Put yourself in their shoes and ask, what are their biggest pain points? What are their aspirations and desires? What makes them tick? Once you understand their needs, connect the dots. Show how your unique offering addresses their specific challenges and delivers the results they crave. Here's an example. Business: local bakeries selling handcrafted sourdough bread. Competition: supermarkets offering mass-produced bread. Unique value proposition: experience the taste of tradition with our artisan sourdough bread, made with slow-fermented, organic ingredients. Savor the unique flavor and texture, knowing you're nourishing your body with wholesome goodness. Ditch the supermarket blandness and elevate your everyday meals with our handcrafted loaves. See the difference? This UEP goes beyond just selling bread. It evokes a sensory experience, emphasizes the health benefits, and positions the product as a premium choice for discerning customers. Remember, your UVP is a living, breathing thing. Test it out, refine it, and keep it fresh to resonate with your audience and stand out in the competitive market. Optimize your sales funnel. Ensure a smooth and efficient process for converting leads into customers. Analyze each stage of the funnel to identify and address any bottlenecks. Imagine a beautiful, flowing river leading to a treasure chest. That's your sales funnel, and the treasure is your happy customers. But sometimes, rocks and logs block the flow, preventing leads from reaching the treasure. That's where funnel optimization comes in. Think of optimizing your funnel as smoothing out the riverbed, removing those pesky obstacles. Here's how. 1. Shining a light. Analyze each stage of your funnel, from awareness to purchase. Use tools like website analytics, surveys, and sales data to see where leads are getting stuck. 2. Clearing the rocks. Identify the bottlenecks, stages with low conversion rates. Maybe your website is confusing, your lead magnet isn't enticing enough, or your checkout process is lengthy. 3. Making the flow smooth. Fix those bottlenecks. Rewrite confusing website copy, offer more appealing lead magnets, streamline your checkout process. Remember, every little step counts. 4. Testing and tweaking. Don't just guess. Test different approaches. Try A/B testing different headlines, buttons, or email formats to see what resonates best with your audience. 5. Happy customers, happy you. By optimizing your funnel, you'll guide more leads to that treasure chest, translating into more sales and happier customers. It's a win-win. Remember, Optimizing your funnel is an ongoing process. Keep analyzing, testing, and improving to ensure your river flows smoothly, leading to a treasure trove of satisfied customers. Leverage data and analytics. Track key metrics like website traffic, conversion rates, and customer engagement to measure progress and identify areas for improvement. Imagine being a detective for your business. With data and analytics as your magnifying glass, you can uncover hidden clues about how your business is doing. By tracking key metrics like website visitors, purchases made, and how long people stay on your site, you can understand what's working well and what needs a little polish. Think of it like a report card for your business. High website traffic and conversions? That's an A+. But a low engagement rate might suggest some room for improvement. Here's the magic. This data doesn't just tell you the score, it helps you figure out why. By analyzing these metrics, you can pinpoint exactly where to focus your efforts. Maybe you need to make your website easier to navigate, create more engaging content, or offer better customer service. Whatever it is, data will guide you towards the right solution. So, instead of guessing in the dark, use data and analytics to shine a light on your business success. Remember, the key is not just collecting information, but using it to make smart decisions that take your business to the next level. Build strong relationships. Foster trust and loyalty with your customers through excellent communication, personalized service, and exceeding expectations. Imagine your customers are like cherished friends, not just numbers on a spreadsheet. Building strong relationships with them goes beyond simply making a sale. It's about creating a connection that makes them feel valued, understood, and truly happy with your business. Here are some ways to foster that friendship. 1. Talk like friends. Ditch the robotic jargon and marketing speak. Be genuine, friendly, and open in your communication. Listen actively to their needs and concerns, and respond with empathy and understanding. 2. Remember the little things. A personalized touch goes a long way. Remember their name, preferences, and past interactions. Surprise them with a small gesture like a birthday greeting or a special offer based on their interests. 3. Go the extra mile. Exceeding expectations is like giving them a delightful surprise. Solve their problems quickly, offer unexpected benefits, or simply do something kind that shows you truly care. Think of it like this. When you treat your customers with respect, kindness, and a genuine desire to help them, they'll feel a connection to your brand. They'll become loyal advocates, recommending you to others and returning for more because they know you value them as individuals, not just a source of income. Building strong relationships is an investment that pays off in the long run. Happy customers are loyal customers, and loyal customers are the lifeblood of any successful business. So, put on a smile, start a conversation, and show your customers that you truly care. They'll appreciate it, and your business will reap the rewards. Implement effective marketing strategies. Utilize a mix of online and offline channels to reach your target audience and raise brand awareness. Experiment with different tactics and track their effectiveness. Imagine you're throwing a fantastic party, but no one knows it's happening. That's where marketing comes in. It's like sending out invitations, both online and in person, to spread the word and get people excited. Here are some tips to make your party a success. Think outside the mailbox. Forget just paper invitations. Use social media, email, eye-catching posters, or even local events to reach your target audience. Think about where they spend their time online and offline. Variety is the spice of life. Don't just stick to one invitation type. Experiment with different tactics like contests, giveaways, blog posts, funny videos, or even sponsoring a local sports team. See what resonates most with your audience. Track those RSVPs, just like counting party guests. Keep an eye on how your marketing efforts are doing. Use analytics tools to see which tactics are generating the most buzz and attracting the right people. This helps you focus your energy on the most effective invitations. Remember, it's a party. Have fun and be creative. The goal is to connect with your audience in a way that's engaging and memorable. By using a mix of online and offline channels, experimenting with different tactics, and tracking your results, you can throw a marketing party that everyone will want to attend. Offer excellent customer service. Make it easy for customers to get help and resolve issues. Prompt and responsive customer service can turn one-time buyers into loyal advocates. Imagine you're having a delicious meal at a restaurant, but halfway through, your drink spills. What makes the experience truly positive? It's not just the delicious food, but how the staff handles the situation. They quickly clean up the mess, offer a replacement drink with a smile, and genuinely apologize for the inconvenience. That's excellent customer service in action. Here's why it's so important. 1. Feeling heard and valued. When a customer has an issue, they want to feel heard and understood. Excellent customer service makes them feel like their problem matters and is being addressed with care. 2. Smooth problem solving. Nobody enjoys waiting or jumping through hoops to get help. Prompt and responsive service shows you respect their time and want to resolve things efficiently. 3. Turning frowns upside down. A positive resolution can transform a frustrating experience into a positive one. A customer who feels helped and valued is much more likely to return and recommend your business to others. Remember, excellent customer service isn't just about fixing problems. It's about creating positive experiences that build loyalty and turn customers into raving fans. So, put a smile on their face, solve their problems quickly, and watch your business thrive. Upsell and cross-sell. Encourage existing customers to buy more by suggesting complementary products or services. Imagine you're at your favorite coffee shop. You order your usual latte, and the barista suggests a delicious new pastry that perfectly complements the coffee's flavor. They're not trying to pressure you, but simply offering a suggestion that could enhance your enjoyment. That's essentially the idea behind upselling and cross-selling to existing customers. It's about helping them get more value out of their experience with your business by suggesting products or services that, upselling, enhance the initial purchase, like offering a larger size of the latte or a special syrup upgrade for a richer taste. Solve a related problem, suggesting a travel mug to keep your coffee warm longer. Cross-selling, complement the initial purchase, pairing the latte with a croissant or a breakfast sandwich. Open up new possibilities, recommending a loyalty card for future discounts or a coffee subscription for convenience. By following these tips, you can encourage existing customers to buy more without feeling pushy and actually increase their satisfaction with your business. It's a win-win situation where they get a more fulfilling experience and you build stronger, more profitable relationships. Stay adaptable and innovative. Be prepared to adjust your strategies based on market changes and customer feedback. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Imagine your business like a sailboat navigating a vast ocean. The winds of change are always blowing, and the currents of customer preferences can shift unexpectedly. To stay ahead of the curve and reach your destination, you need two key skills: adaptability and innovation. Think of adaptability as being flexible with your sales. When the wind changes direction, you adjust them to catch the breeze and keep moving forward. Similarly, be prepared to adjust your strategies based on market trends and customer feedback. Don't be afraid to loosen the ropes on your old plans and try something new. Now, innovation is like having a toolbox full of different sales. Each sale represents a new approach or idea. Experiment with different sales to see which ones work best in different conditions. Maybe you try a smaller sale for a nimble response to a sudden market change, or a larger sale to catch a strong wave of customer interest. Remember, the best sailors don't just react to the wind and waves, they anticipate them. So, keep your eyes peeled on the horizon, listen to the whispers of the market, and be ready to adjust your sales with a smile. The journey may be full of surprises, but with a dash of adaptability and a sprinkle of innovation, you'll find your way to success. Continuously learn and improve. Stay up to date on industry trends and best practices. Invest in training and development for yourself and your team. Imagine your brain as an amazing toolbox. To keep it stocked with the coolest tools and tackle any project, you need to keep learning and upgrading. That's what continuously learning and improving is all about. Here's the fun part. Stay on top of trends. Think of it like keeping your toolbox stocked with the latest gadgets and gizmos. Attending workshops, conferences, or even reading industry blogs helps you understand what's new and exciting in your field. Learn new skills. Just like adding a fancy screwdriver to your toolbox, acquiring new skills expands your capabilities. Maybe it's taking an online course, attending a training session, or even shadowing someone with different expertise. Level up your team. Sharing is caring. Invest in training and development for your team, too. This could be group workshops, mentorship programs, or even encouraging them to pursue their own learning goals. By continuously learning and improving, you'll be like a walking, talking Swiss Army knife, ready to handle any challenge with confidence and creativity. And hey, the journey of learning is fun and rewarding too. It keeps your mind sharp, opens up new possibilities, and helps you stay ahead of the curve. So, what are you waiting for? Start filling your toolbox with knowledge and watch your success shine. Remember, boosting your business sales isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. While those wealthy entrepreneurs shared some golden nuggets, the key is to find what works best for you and your unique business. Think of these tips as a toolbox. Pick the ones that fit your hand best, and don't be afraid to experiment. Remember, even the fanciest tool won't build your dream house if you don't use it. Most importantly, have fun on your business journey. And hey, if you ever hit a snag, don't hesitate to reach out for help. There's a whole community of entrepreneurs cheering you on. Now, go out there and crush those sales goals like the rock star you are.
Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.